Okay, so let's proceed to our discussion. So our topic for today is all about compound sentences. Okay, so any idea what is compound sentences?
Two or more.
Two or more words. Okay, so compound sentences. Thank you for that, Daisy. Compound sentences are made up two simple sentences connected by a coordinating conjunction. So, teacher, what is coordinating conjunction? So, coordinating conjunction, also known as fun boys. So, unsa na fun boys?
For and nor but or yet so.
So, ang coordinating conjunction daw kay also known as fun boys. So, for example, in a sentence, basaha.
This is a hard work but it's good cause.
Okay, so, in that sentence, asa man ang coordinating conjunction? Okay, very good, the but. Sige, ang but di ay, ang but kuno kay
Conjunction.
Coordinate. So, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have a game first, okay?
Okay.
So, kung unsa akong iingon, is mao ang ikuan sa partner. For example, okay, hands to hand. Hand to hand. Okay, ana ha? So, itouch ang imuhang kuan sa imuhang partner, okay? Okay, sige, diri na. Head to head. Head, oy, dili forehead. Zekil, Shan. Head. Okay. Hand to hand. Knee to knee. Knee. Okay. Foot to foot. Forehead to forehead. Forehead. Ear to ear. Nose to nose. Shan, og Zekiel, magdarong. Atubang diri sa kon. Okay, one. Yeah, freeze ha. One. Sige na, nose to nose. One.
Good morning everyone. Annyeonghaseyo. So it's Monday morning. So my L3 is too busy with their school works. Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So while they are busy, they are having snacks, choco pie from Buning. Kana imo ha pre, what's this? Noli Mertang Harry. April is doing their unsa na siya pre kanang ibaligi scrap ang Noli di scrapbook ni Mang Noli Mertang Harry. Ala ka na open your work. Sige lang, open lang. Okay, vintage kayo, no? Like Noli Mertang Harry, vintage one. And how about you, Chanika? Cutting letters. How about you, LJ? What are you doing? Assignment. Writing ang assignment. So, gamit kayo itong ano? Color pins, no? So, kuan lang dyan na ninyo. I-take care kay daradugay siya mahupas. Dali na ba niya siya mahurot?
Oo, dali.
Pero, kuan na lang. I-cover lang dyan after use kay para dili madali o kahupas.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Today is your memorization day. Go ahead, start, Precious.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is catfish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. He is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my best friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Next.
My friend Elizabeth. This is my friend Elizabeth. She is 10 years old. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish.
Very good. Last. Si Ate Maxine. So, nag-practice na ka? Okay. So, you are now passing your assignment, which is 10 multiplication table. So, we have 5 here, and it's back-to-back in no? So, it's back-to-back. So, total of 10. So, since you failed last time, I will be retesting you again. Okay? So, ready na ka? Okay, sige. 7 times 8.
56.
4 times 3.
12.
9 times 4.
36.
7 times 6.
42.
9 times 7.
63.
8 times 5.
40.
2 times 7.
14.
8 times 7.
56.
9 times 8.
72.
8 times 4.
32.
4 times 7.
28.
2 times 8.
60.
7 times 3.
21.
Nag-practice jud ka? Okay, sige. So, this will not be your last nga exam sa multiplication, ha? Or test sa multiplication. So, unsay buhaton natin, Maxine? What will you do?
Practice.
Okay, so, not just practicing it, but also mastering the multiplication, ha? Dapat i-master gyud. Okay? So, kung mag-practice ka, dapat imuha yung huna-hunaon always. I-master nimo, ha? Okay? Asa gyud na magamit sa study room maga? Sa school as well and sa balay for your everyday living, ha? So, I hope this will not happen next time. Okay? Fighting?
Fighting.
Okay, bye-bye, Ate.
Bye.